In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to design this logo using Adobe Illustrator, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started. All you need is Adobe Illustrator I'm using a blank artboard sized 1080 pixels, perfect for digital use. You can follow along with any size you like. Go to File, New, pick a square artboard, and enable rulers and grids from View. This helps keep everything aligned and balanced. For this design, I'm choosing a bold blue and a simple but professional. You can pick any brand colors you like. Now draw a circle by holding Alt and Shift to draw it proportionally. Keep it on strokes for better visuals. Now copy this circle and place in place. Hold Alt and Shift and drag it inside to make smaller circle. Make grid lines to keep everything aligned in the center. Select both the circles and make a copy of these. Drag this copy to the upside right to make another circles. Similarly, copy these circles again to make another copy and drag these circles to downward. Make sure all the circles are center aligned. Now select Shape Builder tool and remove extra parts of the circles by holding Alt key. Now merge these parts one by one to make a perfect shape of the logo. Select these shapes one by one, drag them another side, and remove extra parts. Select Eyedropper tool and color the shapes of our selected gradient. Select Gradient tool and make each gradient to the right direction to make our logo perfect and clearly visible. To save, go to File, Export As, and export as PNG for social media and SVG for print and scaling. Here's the final logo we designed together. Clean, scalable, and ready to use. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like and subscribe for more weekly graphic design tips.